Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. Long-term versus short-term investing, which is right for you? Long-term versus short-term investing, which is right for you? Investing is a personal journey, shaped by your unique circumstances. Taking time to reflect on what aligns with your goals is paramount. Whichever path you lean towards, the essential part is to educate yourself and remain committed to your strategy, building your future one step at a time. Short-term investing offers a thrilling yet treacherous landscape, where one whispers of gains can lead to euphoric profits or harsh losses. As you navigate this path, it's crucial to remain grounded and vigilant, ensuring each decision aligns with your financial objectives and emotional resilience. In contrast, the long-term approach fosters a sense of security and gradual wealth accumulation, relying on the steadfast march of time and market stability. Keep in mind that each investment choice reflects your broader intentions, emphasizing the importance of aligning your strategy with life goals rather than fleeting trends. Let's explore the importance of having a solid foundation when stepping into the investment arena. Understanding your risk tolerance and setting clear financial objectives will empower you to make informed choices. Remember, investing isn't just about numbers, it's about creating a plan that nurtures your vision for the future while balancing your present situation. Embrace the learning process, stay adaptable, and you will find your footing in the ever-evolving world of finance. By committing to continuous growth in your knowledge and strategies, you set the stage for a prosperous investment journey, regardless of the path you choose. While short-term investing can evoke excitement, it demands a considerable time commitment and the emotional capacity to endure rapid fluctuations. Each trade requires meticulous analysis and an understanding of market patterns, where the stakes can be high and the results uncertain. Conversely, in the realm of long-term investing, patience and consistency reign supreme. It is a strategy grounded in the belief that time can smooth out the inherent volatility of markets, allowing your investments to flourish over years rather than weeks. Regardless of the path you choose, the journey is defined by your personal circumstances, so embrace the lessons learned along the way to ensure success. When considering your investment strategy, it's essential to assess both the tangible and psychological aspects of short-term and long-term investing. Short-term investing, with its rapid pace and potential for immediate returns, can be intoxicating, yet it often leads to heightened stress and a steep learning curve. In contrast, long-term investing emphasizes patience and strategic planning, allowing you to benefit from the compounding effects of your investments in a more measured way. Balancing these approaches by clearly identifying your priorities can lead to a fulfilling investment experience that suits your personality and financial aspirations. The financial landscape offers diverse options, and choosing the right investment style can profoundly affect your journey. Assessing not only your financial goals but also your emotional response to market changes is key. Embrace a mindset that aligns with your personal values and find harmony between your resources and aspirations. Whether it's the thrill of nimble trades or the rewarding patience of holding, trust that your investment decisions will shape your future. Ultimately, every investor's path is uniquely theirs, filled with growth, learning, and the opportunity to cultivate lasting wealth. Investing isn't simply about the numbers on a screen. It's a reflection of your values, aspirations, and comfort levels. As you chart your course, consider incorporating regular assessments of your strategy. This allows you to adapt to any changes in your personal circumstances or market conditions. Short-term investors often thrive in environments where volatility is prevalent, actively seeking out trends and opportunities for quick gains. In contrast, long-term investors cultivate a portfolio that resonates with their broader life plans, immersing themselves in the art of patience and careful planning. As you embark on your investment journey, remember to intertwine your strategy with continual learning, allowing your experiences to inform future decisions. Whether you lean towards the exhilarating pace of short-term trades or the steady climb of long-term growth, let each step be deliberate and aligned with your ultimate financial vision. When weighing your options between short-term and long-term investing, it's vital to examine your personal financial situation and future ambitions. Are you seeking immediate returns, or are you focused on building a secure financial future over decades? Knowing your objectives will greatly influence your investment strategy, helping you balance risk with potential rewards. Remember, the best investment path is one that resonates with your lifestyle and financial goals, providing you with both clarity and confidence in your decision-making process. Investing is not merely a financial decision. It's an exploration of who you are as a person and an investor. This journey compels you to evaluate the balance between risk and reward, allowing you to cultivate a resilient mindset, regardless of your investment horizon. Engage with both strategies thoughtfully, embracing the knowledge they offer and the paths they present. It's crucial to remain focused on your unique financial vision, learning to navigate each turning point with poise and purpose. Ultimately, the true essence of investing lies in becoming your own informed guide, equipped to navigate the complexities of financial markets while pursuing your dream of wealth creation. As you weigh your options, consider the emotional toll of investing strategies. Short-term trading can be a roller coaster ride, with rapid shifts that may provoke anxiety and excitement, while long-term investing demands steadfast confidence. Both paths offer valuable lessons and rewards. The key lies in aligning these experiences with your natural disposition toward risk and timeframe. Each trader and investor thrives differently, and understanding your preferences will allow you to create an investment strategy that serves not only your financial goals but also supports your mental well-being throughout the journey. Engaging in investing requires you to confront your desires and your fears, drawing upon the experiences that shape your perceptions of success. Whether you choose the nervy thrill of short-term gains or the slow craft of building a long-term strategy, both paths promise valuable insights about yourself. Remember, it's not solely the profits that define your investment journey, but how well you align your approach with your values, allowing you to grow and adapt as you traverse the ever-changing landscape of finance. Commit to your path, invest in knowledge, and you will cultivate the resilience necessary to achieve your desired outcomes, steering your future toward the rewards you seek. As you evaluate your investment strategies, remember that blending both approaches can offer unique advantages. Allocating a portion of your portfolio to short-term opportunities while maintaining a steady long-term foundation can provide both thrill and security. Ultimately, your investment choices should reflect your personality, goals, and comfort with risk. Whether you prefer the excitement of short-term trading or the stability of long-term investing, taking the time to understand your priorities will lead to greater success and fulfillment in your financial journey. Embrace the process, and you'll find your unique path to wealth. If this video gave you value, please share it with a friend, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching MoneyLoop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Thumbs up, like, speech balloon comments.